shoulder strap, one by one, loosen.
Ma'am, dito ka sa side para nakikita mo siya.
On straps to sensor.
Okay, next is open the main valve.
Okay.
Main valve open, sir.
And check the gauge.
Gauge check, sir.
Okay, next is connect your numbers.
3,000, sir.
300.
Okay, next connect your face piece to the regulator valve.
Check, sir.
And hang your face master neck.
Sir.
And grab your cylinder in upright position.
Upright position, sir. Check.
Okay, insert your left hand first to the left shoulder strap and followed by right hand. Insert to the next shoulder strap. And one step forward to balance your body. And pull strap going down, strap of shoulder strap.
Shoulder strap check,
And
sir.
connect your waist belt.
Waist belt connected, sir.
And tighten your waist belt.
Waist belt secured, sir.
And secure your dangling ends.
Dangling end secured, sir.
And next is put your face mask, go with your face. And hold your face mask, go in your face and push and suck to activate your valve, suck. And the other one is tighten your strap one by one, strap of face mask. Okay, done?
Done.